Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel Physics Surgery, and here I am to introduce you to the world of Physica, an online physics examination that is open to all, and its tagline is understand, apply and achieve. And we, the team of Physica, have already introduced you to a trailer and also some sample problems on giving you the taste of this particular contest. The first round of this contest is to start off in the first week of September, that is September 5th. And I would like to give you an official presentation on some of the queries that have come up in the past few weeks about the examination. Okay, so about the format, prizes, and more such details. One more interesting thing is that the examinations registration date has been extended till September 5th. Yes, you heard it right. Till September 5th. We have been getting lots of registrations and we wanted to increase the base for the students to compete against each other in this wonderful examination. Okay, so this is powered by Gram, INSP, and Physics Surgery. And let's move forward to see more details about the examination. Okay. Right. First and foremost, 15,000 US dollars plus worth prizes for every participant, especially in round one. Okay. Right. I'll clarify more on that, how these prizes and how much it will be distributed and what is round one and what is round two and also round three. So let's try to see that there are two stages for this particular examination. Right. Eligibility first, it's an open physics challenge for everyone. Anyone from middle school to a retired professor can participate. Okay, so yeah, hang on a minute. Not everyone who is going to participate is going to be eligible for prizes. So don't worry. So we have two categories. Category A, that is the first year undergraduate student and below. Category B, which is open to everyone, like I said, even a retired professor can participate. So as such, to make it a fair contest, only category A participants are eligible for the prizes, and rest of all, including me, will be in for it for fun. Okay, right? So tentatively, the 15th January is going to be the stage 2 for the date of the examination, stage 2. Okay, so let's try to see all the rounds. Okay, so stage 1 is divided into 2 rounds. Okay, so stage 1 is going to be divided into 2 rounds. And this stage 1, which is open to all, is going to be a round 1 plus round 2. Okay, so round 1 is going to happen on September 5th, 2021, and round 2 a week later on September 12th. Okay, and the score for the total stage 1 will be taken with 10% weightage for round 1 and 90% weightage for round 2. Okay, right, and the qualification is the top 50 in that particular scenario for the next stage. Okay, so once this score has been calculated and evaluated after both the rounds 1 and 2 of stage 1, the top 50 would be considered to be qualified for the stage 2 that is tentatively going to happen in January. Okay, in case of a tie, which is quite possible because the format is going to be a multiple choice type. Okay, so the preference will be given by hidden tiebreakers. Okay, right. So try to make sure that you attempt as many questions and also give it a fair try. And that $7 complimentary prize will be only for those people who are appearing for both the rounds on September 5th, round 1, and September 12th, round 2, 2021. Okay, right. Now, more about the round 1, which is on September 5th. Remember, the registration is extended till the September 5th, right? So you can register even before the examination. Okay, so the pattern, as I said, will be 10 multiple choice questions, of which some of them would be integer answer based. So you can answer it as any of the integers lying between 0 to 9, and also MCQs with multiple choice correct type. And the good news is, to encourage students to attempt them more, there is no partial marking in this particular format. Okay, right? So 30 minutes, 10 questions, and the exam date, please note it down. It is the 5th of September, 2021. Okay, so that's going to be the Sunday, and the timing is that entire day will be available for the students to attempt for it. Okay, right? So let's move forward. And the pattern for the round 2, which is a week later on September 12th, as I said, is going to be 16 questions again, but this is 60-minute examination, so 1 hour, and the integer questions as usual and MCQs. So the format is going to be the same for both the rounds of stage 1. Okay, right. But this time you'll have partial marking for MCQs. Okay, right. And as I told you already, that September 12th is going to be the round 2. So to summarize, September 5th, round 1, September 12th, round 2, both multiple choice and integer type based objective model. Okay. And once the top 50 based on the criteria I already mentioned are selected, these people will be moved into stage 2, which will be held in a subjective format in January. Okay, so the pattern again is 6 questions, subjective based, 3-hour examinations, and more details will come up with once the stage 1 is over. Okay, so you can mark it out as tentatively 15th January for this subjective based round 2, where top 50 from round 1 will participate. And credits should go to the organizers, and these are the 3 important organizers who are part of this particular exam and its conduction. So first one is Grammarly, and this is one organization which is formed by young yet passionate minds who want to provide free but quality education and encourage students to take up STEM education. STEM, as you should be knowing, stands for STEM, science, technology, engineering, and maths. Okay, so if you want to know more about these visionary minds, please type out Grammarly on either YouTube search engine or visit their website and try to see what they are up to, and you will be blown away. Okay, so next organizer, INSP, or called as Indian School of Physics, run by one of my dearest friends, Nitin Sachan sir. Okay, so if you have not yet subscribed to his channel and you are a JEE aspirant, you are definitely missing out on something. Okay, so do check out the Indian School of Physics channel and make sure you watch 3 or 4 videos of his. You'll understand the quality of his teaching. As sir always says, physics will never be the same once you watch his videos. And luckily, sir is also teaching online in one of the famous platforms. So please do connect with him and try to make sure your physics preparation is on track. Okay, so the third one, myself, Physics Surgery. About me and all that, you can find it out in the present channels, or you can go to my website and try to find out about me there. Okay, just to make things very short for the people who are new to this channel is run as a part of my passion, and also to ensure that I have a satisfaction of reaching as many students as possible, which is not possible in case of my offline teaching that I run for. Okay, right. So try to check out all these 3 places and you will definitely have your time's worth. Also, credits to our sponsors. Okay, so AOPS, Art of Problem Solving, I think you should be part of it, especially if you have passion for solving problems, right? Either go to their app or website and try to check out and be a part of that. Macha is an mathematics online editor, and especially you people are communicating with each other and you want symbols and tools in Discord servers or online browsers, or you can say and Telegram groups where the communication needs to be in mathematical symbols and all that. This is one place you'll get all rich sets of symbols. So please do try it out. Replit is a coder's paradise. So most of you would be planning to have careers in IT and coding. So make sure that you check out this powerful online IDE. Okay, right. And next one is Overleaf. It's a nice startup which assists people who are trying to work in the science industry, especially like Google Documents, etc. And if you are fans of latex language, this is one part that you're supposed to definitely check out. Do Google search for it, you'll understand what they're up to. Physics Olymp, last but not the least, is something that all physics enthusiasts who especially aim for Olympiads should be having it as a part of their preparation. So please do check their app, especially take down their free courses and also paid ones that would be ensuring that you go on a right path for your examinations. Okay, so thanks for all the sponsors. And to sum it up, remember, round 1 and round 2 are part of stage 1, which happen on September 5th and 12th respectively. And as you could see, the gifts of worth rupees, or you could say $7 to all participants of round 1 attempting round 2. Remember, in order to be eligible for that particular gift that we are talking about, you should write both round 1 and round 2. Okay, and in round 2, prizes would be worth $66 to top 200 participants of round 2. Remember, qualifications would be 50 to the next round, round 3, but top 200 will be also getting the prizes. Okay, right? And also in the round 3, this starts a lot of money. I can't read it out. Okay, so just pause the video and check it out. It's a lot of money, but the fun that you are going to have, the physics that you are going to learn is definitely priceless. So if you are after money, or if you aren't, but one thing that you should be after in the beautiful world of Physica is physics. Okay, so with that, I conclude. So please hurry up, go towards this particular website, and it's also put up in the description. Try to read all the things in the description and quickly register for the first 2 rounds immediately. Round 1 on September 5th, round 2 on September 12th. Okay, so, and registration date, last date has been extended to 5th of September. Okay, right. So thanks for staying this long. And as per this channel, please do wait. I'm coming up with a wonderful physics video very soon. Okay, and see you in the next one.